Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Tips with Asma. Today we will tell you what is the meaning of Nicole. Nicole is one of the girls' name. Nicole is the Christian name. The origin of the name Nicole is of English origin. 6 is the lucky number for Nicole name girls. According to experts, girls named Nicole are very pretty. Nicole name meaning victor of the people. Lucky days for people with name Nicole include Saturday and Sunday. Blue and yellow colors are suitable for Nicole. Green gemstone is the lucky stone for Nicole name girls. Lucky metals include bronze by number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.